Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to withdraw money internationally. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So if you want to withdraw money internationally, then you can use a debit card linked to a bank account, preferably one with low or no foreign transaction fees and ATM fee reimbursement. You can use reputable bank affiliated ATMs, select the local currency, and decline the ATM's conversion rate to avoid high fee. You can use the debit cards as credit cards often charge high cash advance fees. Specialized travel cards or multi-currency account like Wise also offer better rates. You can simply use the bank owned ATMs rather than independent third party ATMs, which often have high fees, and always select the option to be charged in the local currency, not your home currency. Choosing your home currency triggers dynamic currency conversion, which applies poor exchange rates. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.